This is the center console of a 2018 to 2019 Audi Q5 with the MIB system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Please pry open the partition on the right side of the passenger seat. Remove the screws indicated by the arrows. Remove the two screws from the bottom of the glove box. Use special tools to remove the head unit. Remove the entire glove box and disconnect all cables. Pry open the center console panel and remove the 6 fixing screws. Please remove the cover plate and the fixing screw indicated by the arrow. Please remove the screw from the card slot. Then pry open the knob on the center console panel. Remove the cigarette lighter panel and disconnect all cables. Use a special tool to remove the button panel and disconnect all connecting cables. Remove the 2 screws indicated by the arrow. Remove the screw under the driver's seat and remove the cover. Then remove the entire air conditioner panel and disconnect all connecting cables. Please remove the 3 fixing screws indicated by the arrows. Pry open the cover under the dashboard. Pry open the air vent panel and disconnect all cables. Remove the 2 screws securing the screen and disconnect all cables.